Hi, for today's video is how to fix Bluetooth not working on Android. Bluetooth is among the most useful features of all Android phones. It lets users share files between two Android phones wirelessly, but at times it suddenly stops working and causes all sorts of problems, especially if you have to share some files instantly. Since Bluetooth is a built-in feature, mostly the issue with your phone mirrors outdated OS. Any minor glitch in phone software that has interrupted the normal functioning of Bluetooth. Malware attack on Bluetooth cache files. So first things first, reboot your Android phone as well as other phone you're trying to connect. This is the fastest way to get rid of any temporary bug in your phone that is hindering the Bluetooth connection. Second is remove Bluetooth cache. Are your Bluetooth headphones connected but sound coming from speakers Android? Well, chances are there might be some problems with the cache files of Bluetooth. So, what you can do is you go to settings, then go to apps, then go to manage apps, and search Bluetooth. And you're gonna clear the data and clear cache. So, does not still works? You can unpair the device. Another proven way to fix the Bluetooth paired but not connected Android problem is unpairing the devices and connect them then again. What it does is remove any minor glitch that causing the connection issues. So, if you go to Bluetooth and just press the arrow beside the device and you can unpair it and you can pair it again. Next is turn on discoverable feature. If you are facing the Bluetooth not turning on Android issue, then check whether the discoverable option is enabled or not. This feature allows other devices with Bluetooth to search your phone. So if you go to additional settings, we'll just toggle it on. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!